Welcome to video number 2, Impact of Landforms on Civilizations of the Eastern Hemisphere. Our learning target in this video is to understand the positive and negative impacts of landforms and the effects they had on the growth of ancient civilizations. The materials needed are a printed copy of the PDF Impacts of Landforms that you will find on Blackboard and a writing utensil. Your directions are, as you view this video, make note of the positive and negative impacts of various landforms and how they have affected the growth of the civilization. Our first landform are mountains. Mountains create barriers which may offer protection, but these barriers also create isolated areas, and this isolation may prohibit or prevent trade and travel. There is also the threat of earthquakes, avalanches, and possibly flash flooding as the origin of many rivers start in the mountains. In the plateaus, you have a higher elevation, which is also good for protection. You can stand atop and see what's going on below you and possibly see an enemy trying to mount an attack. The plateaus may or may not be surrounded by mountain walls. If they are surrounded by mountain walls, then isolation of a culture may be a factor if there are not passages through the mountains. The plains are a great source for agriculture. Many ancient civilizations have used the plains as their farming land. Although the plains offer very little protection because it's flat, it can be difficult to defend. The deserts, because of their extreme climate conditions, can be extremely difficult to cross. So again, this can create a border or a barrier of the civilization, and it can also prohibit trade and travel. Rivers are a water source needed to sustain life. It also provides irrigation for agriculture. It offers a route for trade and travel, but there is the threat of flooding. Some rivers even offer barriers and borders. For example, in the Nile River, there are cataracts that are very difficult to sail through. The boats would smash against the rocks, and this actually offered protection to the ancient Egyptian cultures. Congratulations, you have completed video number 2. Now go to Blackboard and take the quiz on impacts of landforms to check your understanding. Master the quiz with 90% or better to move on to video number 3. If you do not have a 90% or better, then go back through the video, check your notes, make corrections, and try again. Once you have reached your 90% goal, then move on to video 3, creating a one-page map, where we will be creating a map of ancient Mesopotamia. Good luck.